Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing 7 different hairstyles using this hair blinger that went viral on TikTok. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram. For this first hairstyle, I braided and pancaked 2 sections of hair behind my ears. I tied my hair back, leaving out 2 small sections to anchor each braid to. I pulled each braid to the opposite side and used the same elastic to hold it in place. Spoiler alert, I think I ordered the wrong hair blinger because this one did not live up to the hype. The gems were not sticking to my hair, and the ones that would fall off pretty easily. Half of the gems would come out with a small piece of paper stuck to them. It was not cute, so I would try to take it off and the gems would just fall out of my hair. I love this braided headband. Don't worry, I end up adding a lot more jewels throughout the next couple of hairstyles. Next are these double inverted pigtails. I use this tool I got off of Amazon to flip my ponies. You don't need this, but it makes it a lot easier. It gives you a little bit more texture. Then I make a pony right behind it, adding the hair from the first one to it. I repeat those same steps, flipping it inside out and then fluffing it up a little bit. I started adding more gems, and you can see exactly what I was talking about right here. I had to have a lot of patience while using this because this kept happening, but I wasn't gonna let this blinger get me down. She's still cute though. For this half up top knot, I started by taking the crown section of my hair and putting it into a pony, but I didn't pull it all the way through on the last one. I just created a little bun. I twisted the rest of my hair around my bun, tucked the ends under, secured it with an elastic and some bobby pins. I messed around with it a little bit until it was perfect, and then I added some more gems, or at least I tried to. There were just as many gems on the floor as there were in my hair at this point because they just weren't sticking and they kept coming out with those little white pieces of paper stuck to them. Oh, so I'll have the correct one linked in the description box if you guys want to check it out for yourself. I love how cute and effortless this half up top knot is. Next are these bubble braid pigtails. These are so easy and they're trending right now. I put my hair into a pigtail. To create the bubble effect, I added more elastics and gently pulled on my hair. I made sure to add the same amount of elastics on each side for symmetry. This hairstyle makes me feel like I should be going to a festival. Maybe it's just the gems. For these messy space buns, I grabbed a top section of my hair and created a messy bun. The messier the better. I manipulated it to my liking, scrunched it up a little bit, then added an elastic to secure it. I added some more gems, and this hairstyle is that simple. It's so freaking cute. I love it. Next is this faux French braid. I dampened my hair with a little bit of water because it was getting frizzy. I started by braiding the top section of my hair, then secured it with an elastic. I put this section of my hair behind the braid into a pony, and then I pancaked my braid by gently pulling on the outer portions. I pulled my pony through a loop from my braid and resecured it with an elastic. You can't see the braid as much on my hair because it's so dark, but I feel like this would look really cute on lighter colored hair. I added more jewels and the struggle continued, but we worked through it. I love this hairstyle. It took less than 10 minutes. All of these hairstyles are really quick. Crisscross pigtails for the last hairstyle. This one's really easy. You're just going to make 2 pigtails and feed the hair from the first one diagonally to the one behind it. Crisscross applesauce. I feel like we all learned that in kindergarten. It doesn't get any easier. This would look so cute if you had colored elastics. I need to buy some already. These gems were starting to look like I had funfetti sprinkles in my hair. If only they were edible. Let me know in the comments below which hairstyle is your favorite. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!